eyes is as beautiful as an angel's wing. Her eyes is as beautiful as the Milky Way. Yo! Hey guys, it's been a while. Look, I was anticipating this video, man. Yo, I was anticipating this video. I was waiting so long. Hey, I'm excited. All right. Man. Okay. I'm at work now, right? And I really want to get this video out the way. So I've made my decision to come inside of a car, which is not my car, to do this video. And the AC is not even on, bro. It's like very hot. But regardless of that hotness, I love to give some of that hotness to these sexy looking darn females, bro. I mean, like, yes, they give us a song called Starry Night official music video. I was waiting. Like, you girls have been there so long, having me here waiting for this banger to drop. But I'm from Jamaica. You guys supposed to know our Jamaican men rolls. We love females who are darn sexy and good, bro. Sexy as hey. So without further ado, let's take a walk into this starry night because I want to look up in the skies, in the stars, to tell these females how gorgeous they look. Peace. Beautiful stars, bro. This video of like 1.6 million views the time when this video has been recorded. And I see the reason why, because these female attracts people. And once there's something sweet on the ground, ants will attract it. It will pull in the ants. And right now I'm a ant because they are so sweet here. Looking so sweet. So yo, yo, this is magnificent, dog. Yo, this is magnificent. I love them. I love them so much, bro. What the fuck? Moonshine, right? You guys are so good. You guys make everything so good. You're so good, bro. So good. Oh my god. Hey, let's continue. Brought happiness to my life. You female brought tears to my heart. You female makes me want to blush with you, man. You guys make me blush, bro. And I'm loving it so much, bro. I mean, like, you guys are so good. Beautiful, man. Oh my god. fuck, dog. Yo, this music is so sweet, man. Like, I want to taste it, man. This female brought me. This is very exquisite. Wow, and they look amazing. Look, I want to stroke them, man. Stroke them, daily stroke them. Yo, I will stroke them so much, bro. I would have each and every one of them stroking me, man. Like, damn, yo. This is what I called amazing. This is what amazed me a lot, bro. Because they look so good and their music sounds amazing as how they look. This is a perfect combination of what they all look sexy in that short dress. The body movement, like, dog, this give me the stance. This makes my dick stand. I mean, like, what the fuck? Bro, why am I even doing this? Why am I even doing this now? Like, what? I'm sorry, females, but you females literally brought tears to my eyes. Like, you guys make me want to. Hey! Beautiful as an angel's wing. Her eyes is as beautiful as the Milky Way. Her beautification is shining as if it's the millions of billions of stars in the sky. So amazingly. The pink looks so good on you all. Whoa, you guys are like a swan, a pink swan. Whoa, you guys look like so much dollies, man. You guys look so much like a doll here. Damn, yo. Job. Look, you guys, I'm having a crush on you all. So I hope you guys do better prepare yourselves for an approach. I'll approach you all, fling some lyrics in your ears, and then we could talk business from then. Trust me. Amazing. This was a well done video. It was enjoyable. It was a sexy darn video as well. You guys never have me here waiting in vain. And I do appreciate that. If you guys enjoy this reaction, leave a like, smash the subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Thank you so much for stopping by.